a unbox with me. This is from Lucy. I got the shade 23. It's a different day. Pero ilalagay ko to sa vlog ko tomorrow. Of course, JL Essentials top coat. Sana, sakto na to sa nails ko. Edit muna ako ng videos. Ang dami ko pang need i-edit. Okay guys, bye!